So hey Mike, what is thermal energy?
Well, Ben, thermal energy is the energy a system has in relation to its temperature. What's temperature, you ask? Well, temperature is the average kinetic energy in a substance or a system. So take the beaker, for example. Before we place it on the Bunsen burner, the molecules inside the water had very low amounts of kinetic energy, therefore a lower temperature. But as we place it over the Bunsen burner, thermal energy is transferred from the burner to the water molecules, therefore increasing their kinetic energy and increasing their temperature. Hey Ben, so what's heat?
Well, heat is defined as the transfer of thermal energy from a hotter object to a colder object. We can see here, when I put this beaker here over the Bunsen burner, the thermal energy from the Bunsen burner goes from a hot object, the Bunsen burner, to the colder object, which is the beaker, bringing the water to boil.
Whoa, would you look at that? So Ben, can you explain that with a diagram?
No problem. So here, we have a hotter object, as illustrated by the thermostat here, and we have a colder object, as illustrated by that thermostat. So the heat transfer here that goes on, as I said previously, is from the hot object to the cold object. So we see the energy from this object is going to go towards that object. And so we can illustrate this heat transfer by an equation. Q, heat, equals mass times specific heat of the object measured in joules per grams times temperature times the change in temperature.